As you venture into this programming journey, remember that each line of code is a step toward your future. The world of technology is vast and filled with opportunities, so embrace the discomfort of learning new concepts and languages. Celebrating small victories along the way ensures sustained motivation, and tapping into your creativity will allow you to tackle bigger challenges with confidence. Don't hesitate to ask for help. The programming community is filled with individuals willing to share their knowledge and experiences. Equipped with the right mindset and the necessary tools, you can explore a myriad of programming languages that will not only enhance your skill set but inspire innovative ideas. Engage deeply with your chosen language, utilizing available resources such as online courses, tutorials, forums, and documentation to build a strong foundation. Setting tangible goals for your learning process will keep you focused, while also providing clear milestones to celebrate as you progress. Be proactive in seeking collaborations with fellow learners or seasoned developers, as the exchange of ideas can illuminate new pathways and deepen your expertise. In addition to expanding your knowledge base, prioritizing hands-on experience is pivotal. Engaging in real-world projects allows you to apply theoretical concepts while building a portfolio that showcases your abilities. Consider delving into open-source projects or creating your own applications, as tangible work can significantly bolster your resume and demonstrate your practical skills. Networking within developer communities can open doors to mentorship opportunities, guiding you through intricacies you may encounter along the way. This combination of learning, collaboration, and practical application will foster not only your technical skills but also your confidence as you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Balancing theory with practice will ultimately solidify your understanding and prepare you for the challenges ahead in your programming career. As you navigate through this array of programming languages, think about not only what you want to learn but also how you can combine different skill sets. Specializing in one language while dabbling in another can create unique opportunities for yourself, leading to innovative problem-solving approaches. Many successful developers often find that their expertise in one area provides insights that enhance their capabilities in another, exemplifying the beauty of cross-disciplinary knowledge. As you progress through this journey of learning programming languages, don't forget the importance of mentorship. Finding a mentor who resonates with your goals can provide invaluable guidance and insights gained from personal experience. Engaging in a mentor-mentee relationship can help you avoid common pitfalls and navigate the complexities of your chosen field, whether it is artificial intelligence, web development, or system programming. Additionally, mentors can encourage you to adopt best practices, fostering a mindset that values both learning and continual improvement. Sharing your challenges and triumphs with a mentor not only builds confidence but can also inspire you to push through obstacles, leading to greater achievements in your coding endeavors. As you embrace the programming landscape, remember each language you explore complements your core interests and career aspirations. Reflect on your personal passions and identify projects that inspire you, fostering a more engaging learning experience. The goal is not just to know multiple languages but to become proficient in leveraging them to solve real-world problems creatively. Recognizing the interplay between programming languages will empower you to grasp concepts that may initially seem unrelated, enhancing your overall understanding of technology. This journey is as much about the skills you acquire as it is about your ability to adapt and innovate in a field that thrives on collaboration and new ideas. Amidst the challenges and triumphs, your commitment to continuous learning will set you apart in the tech landscape. Embrace the journey wholeheartedly, knowing that every test and triumph shapes your abilities and identity as a developer. Be open to experimentation, allowing yourself to step outside comfort zones. After all, the best innovations often emerge from moments of uncertainty. As you evolve your skills, engage with diverse teams and projects, cultivating a mindset that values adaptability and resilience. The tech world is not just about languages, it's about the people you meet and the impact you can make. As you explore various programming languages, consider the multitude of resources available to assist you in your learning journey. From free online modules and instructional videos to interactive coding platforms, the landscape is rich with tools designed to bolster your understanding. Joining study groups or coding meetups can create a supportive network, motivating you as challenges arise. Remember, it's natural to encounter obstacles. Every programmer faces moments of frustration, but these experiences provide invaluable lessons that refine your skills. Embrace mistakes as part of the learning curve, allowing each setback to strengthen your resolve and expertise. In this expansive realm of technology, embracing a mindset of lifelong learning is paramount. Each programming language you master is not merely another skill but a tool that enhances your ability to innovate, collaborate, and contribute to the tech community. As you develop your capabilities, remember that the narratives of your experiences, both failures and successes, will shape your programming identity. In the quest for programming knowledge, continually assessing and refining your goals is essential. Regular reflection on your progress not only reinforces your dedication but also allows you to adapt your learning strategies, ensuring you remain aligned with your passions and industry trends. As you gain deeper insights into different languages, stay attuned to emerging technologies, as innovation often reshapes the landscape you aim to navigate. By integrating this proactive mindset into your programming journey, you'll cultivate an environment ripe for growth and exploration, ultimately unlocking your potential to contribute meaningfully to the tech world. Consider the importance of choosing projects that stimulate your interests and foster your creativity. These projects can serve as a great motivator, allowing you to apply your growing skills in meaningful ways. Embrace opportunities to tackle real-world problems or collaborate on community-driven initiatives, as these experiences will not only deepen your understanding but also reinforce your commitment to continuous improvement. By engaging in such activities, you will find yourself part of a dynamic exchange of ideas, further enriching your learning process. In this exciting journey through the programming landscape, it's vital to remember that every language harbors its unique philosophy and strengths. Embracing this diversity not only enriches your toolkit but fosters a mindset of creativity and problem-solving. As you acquire new skills, take time to reflect on the languages that resonate with your ambitions and passions, allowing this reflection to guide your next steps. A meaningful programming career is built on a combination of persistence, collaboration, and a commitment to ongoing learning. So, seize opportunities to experiment and innovate, as each line of code you write paves the way for your future endeavors. Happy coding! As you advance, seek opportunities that challenge not only your technical ability but also your creativity. Engaging with complex projects can ignite new ideas and encourage innovative solutions, ultimately enriching your programming toolkit. The relationships you build along this journey will be invaluable. In conclusion, the journey into programming is an opportunity filled with potential, allowing you to innovate and shape the technology of tomorrow, regardless of the language you choose. Engage fully, stay curious, and let your passion guide you in this exciting field. Happy coding! Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we drop tech gems every single week here on TechWave 65.